Well, let's see what we got here in the van. So tomorrow, actually this afternoon, I'm running a chair out to the blind, running that rest out to the blind for my son. It's his first day of hunting tomorrow. We're really hoping for one of the bucks that maybe we've seen on camera, or even a doe, because we hunt for the meat. So it's his first deer, so we can't hold off. If the doe comes in, I'm gonna let him shoot it. If he really wants to, if he says no, I want to wait, well then we'll wait. But it's his first deer, so I'm gonna tell him, you wait for that buck, he might come home empty-handed. So I'll maybe get his first deer under his belt on Saturday, youth hunt in Maryland. So I'm hoping for the best. And he's very lucky on his first hunt. We'll see. Bye for now. All right, first hunt for Connor. How you feeling, Connor?
I'm feeling tired, very tired.
Well, it's all right. We'll wake up. We're about to walk out in the woods. Maybe that'll help wake you up. But, oh, man.
Hopefully it will.
But it's Connor's first hunt ever this morning. Youth Day, Maryland. And he's actually hunting down a weapon. He's going to hunt with a crossbow and not a rifle. So, good luck, son. I love you. Let's go in the woods.
I think I got her.